So here we have a check your understanding problem from 6.1. A force does positive work on a particle that has a displacement pointing in the positive x direction. The same force does negative work on a particle that has a displacement pointing in the positive y direction. In which quadrant of the xy coordinate system does the force lie? So again, for a problem like this, it's easiest just to draw out your xy plane. So here we have your x and y plane, and here we have your displacement pointing in the positive x direction, and here's your just negative displacement pointing in the positive y direction. So for a force to be in the first quadrant, it would have to have a positive y and a positive x. For a force to be in the second quadrant, it would have to have a negative x and a positive y. For it to be in the third quadrant, it would have to have a negative x and a negative y. And for a force to be in the fourth quadrant, it would have to have a positive x and a negative y, which is what we have in this problem. Our force does positive work on the particle in the x direction and does negative work in the particle in the y direction. So that's why our answer is D, and our force is in the fourth quadrant.